Halfway down Sao Tome's rugged western coast is the plantation of São João de Angolares, a one-time outpost of progress on this wild shore. The 6 rooms of its former hospital building are now provided for the occasional traveler wandering this far south from the capital. Impeccably restored, the plantation offered just a taste of Sao Tome's 18th century colonial lifestyle. But its ruined slave quarters still echo with the cries of a lost people. The slaves, who over the centuries paid for this colonial splendor with their sweat, their blood, and their lives. One of the island's few restored plantations, Angolares now serves as home to mostly subsistence farmers, many of whom have reoccupied the abandoned workers' quarters.
Well, it's kind of haunting in a way to see these plantations that have just basically are in arrested decay, that, you know, the Portuguese just abandoned them.